Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. You fucker. What's up? We're en route right now to pick up another Honda Elite for Chuck. AF16 piece. I'll show you guys more when we get there. Complete stock, well not complete stock, it might have a little thing. Couldn't really tell from the picture.
Jap headset.
Oh yeah, Jap headset. Few little things on it. Pick that thing up and score another Elite. This one's gonna be Chuck's like drag bike, so he has another stroker motor he's gonna be putting in this one and building it all up. 6'9".
Yes, sir.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good, my bro.
Trevor.
This is my boy Trevor.
Shit, but listen, I got so much shit going on right now. Like,
Jap tail.
this is like the little fucking
piece. Gonna have to steal this
like
part from
fucking-
Chuck
take my
for the
fucking-
Koso.
like,
The red and gray piece.
I'm not really fucking using it right
Got the
now.
Jap
like,
headset.
fucking- Shit, bro. I know you guys have put that shit
Stock fight piece.
right now, bro. You
Oh.
can crank it.
You said exhaust not on.
Look at this. Sheesh.
Yes, sir.
New bike.
A new piece.
What's going on with this one?
The drag piece.
Drag bike. Sheesh. Almost like a little butt cheek.
Mm-hmm. Little mini one.
Little mini butt cheek bore.
Yeah, look at. You don't need to put that on there, but you can
Not out a little
get
bit.
a line hone, a little hone action. But this is where the porting comes in. Is like all the areas. This has really bad casting flash. So I go in there with like a screwdriver, and I'll break off a casting. Pieces of metal will come out. You don't want your motor to be
Right,
eating those
eating those
castings up because they can
things
come
up.
loose over time. Yeah.
Right.
Flash in the corner up in there.
Yeah. So Chuck's putting this MH bore on the other AF16 he has with. It already has the full circle crank in it, right?
Mhm.
The TWH.
Yeah, TWH, same as yours.
Yup. 52.6.
Mhm.
And then
So you
MH
get to be riding
bore.
around on air cools.
Air cooled stroker piece. You have the water
sir.
cooled, air cooled, and this one's gonna be like straight drag bike style. So this chassis is gonna get the 120 with that bore right there.
Who knows? Me and Trevor might even do a stretch later on.
Stretch for real.
It's Japan VIDS.
Sheesh.
That's there, but
Funky seat cover for sure.
dude,
That's a funky seat cover.
looks better than all that ripped up stuff, I guess.
Yeah. Rewelded.
It's just short.
Rewelded.
Gotta get another tire now for this guy.
Yups. So you're gonna think you're running stock 50 for a little bit first and mess around with it?
Yeah, we could do that.
Or you're gonna
You want to do that? Let's do that for now.
Get it running.
Mhm.
Fix the exhaust leak. Get this thing running good.
Maybe the register is an LX, the shitty ass one.
So this had the AF5 in it 'cause it's an 88.
Yeah.
And then he AF16 swapped it. Alright, I think we're about to load up the purple Elite and head over to my boy McLoverson's house because he also just picked up a Honda Elite. So he picked up an 89 like this one. 89, so it has the AF05 motor in it, not the AF16 sadly, but he's been working on it and he's stoked on it, so we're gonna go peep the new ride. Yup. Good old Chevy piece. Beautiful 5-piece. Yeah, it's in the back of the block. It should be just one bolt. Another 89 piece. Fresh from California. The import. Nick Robertson on the scooter game. That one came out easy, huh? Oil pump delete. Yeah, and then hit it. No gas. Yep.
I said no gas.
No gas. Sad day for the boy McLaverson because both AF05s did not work today. He completely rebuilt the one AF05. It started, but the Kickstarter is like completely destroyed on it, and he doesn't have a starter gear for it. I have another AF05, but they're all completely different. I have like a 4-bolt intake manifold one. He has 2 AF05s. One's from an 89 and one's from my other bike, and they're completely different. So he has like just 3 different types of AF05 motors, and nothing's compatible. So he's not able to get the parts he needs, and this thing's just not running. So we had to give up on it a little bit. All right, I don't want to end this video yet because we didn't get to do much with the 89 tonight because of the problems with the motors. We ran out of parts. We couldn't try anything else because the kicker was like giving out on us. So I figured I'm gonna open up this nice old box of parts that I've gathered here from what we ordered this week. A little surprise, like I showed you, that we got for the Purple Elite. Also have a Banshee video that I'm going to be posting really soon, finding the problem to my Banshee and why I was having coolant in my gearbox, and I had to get a new impeller, but just look at how bad. You'll see more in the video I'm going to be uploading soon, so stay tuned for that. But look at this impeller right here. Can you see the grooves that are engraved in this one compared to this one? And you'll see why, but it's just crazy. So we got some Banshee parts in here too, as you can tell. So we got 1500 spring, clutch spring, 2000, and another 2000. Flywheel key, that's Chuck's. Oil pump block off for the new motor build for the Elite that we picked up in the beginning of this video. Like Chuck says, he's making that a drag bike, so he has a stroker motor, air cooled that he's gonna be putting in it. So I think that's for that. Scooter Swap Shop threw in some brake pads for us. Also, whatever this is, that came out of Paul's van. It just looks like something. A relay. I don't even know what this is from an Elite. I don't know. We got a relay in there. Throttle cable piece for when I put the different carb on, the 72 build. And of course, the Molosi. Damn, and a freaking handful of Molosi stickers. Sheesh. Oh my god, all the styrofoam that's on the bore. Oh, that thing is pretty. God damn. Oh, so it came with exhaust studs, a bigger jet, I believe it's for a stock carb, and a gasket kit for the build with an exhaust crust washer gasket and the head gasket. I forgot the head gasket's like an O-ring on these ones. Exhaust gaskets and a shutoff valve. Yeah, we'll look at more of this stuff later, but I definitely see where porting could be done. Just look at this. Crazy bad lip. I really wanted the Corsa, but it wasn't in stock when I ordered it. It probably is in stock now, no my luck. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. As you can tell, we got a lot of stuff to come, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, I need you guys to comment down below and let me know if you think I should put the stroker motor into the Purple Elite and make this the fast bike, and make the Elite with the Dio head over here the stunt bike, since this one's kind of haggard together on the plastics and all damaged. Scratch when this one's too cherry to be stunned. So it's a big debate for me. Also, I have a brand new seat cover over here to throw on the Honda Elite. Leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.